In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your location's labor pools. These are groups of employees you can use when putting together your schedules. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Next, select either your enterprise or the specific location, then click on Locations. Choose the location you want to add labor pools to. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Lists. Select Labor Pools from the drop-down menu. You should now arrive at a list of your labor pools. To create a new one, enter a name into the bar at the bottom of the chart. I will just say New. Then you need to select a start date for this labor pool. Let's say the day before Halloween. And an end date. We'll say the day after Halloween. Then you need to decide if you want to make this labor pool volunteer or mandatory. When you click volunteer, right here, employees can sign up for this labor pool themselves. I'll go ahead and leave that. If you don't like your new labor pool, hit delete. I do, so I'm going to choose save. And now that labor pool has been added and a green save bar has appeared at the top right corner, letting me know when this page was last saved. If I click on that labor pool, I can now assign new employees by clicking the Add button and choosing an employee from the list. We'll say Cassie. If you don't want to include this employee, click Close. I do, so I'm going to click Save. And now that employee has been added. To delete an employee from a labor pool, click on that employee, then choose Clear. If you don't want to clear this employee, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that employee has been removed from the labor pool. To delete the whole labor pool, click on that labor pool, then choose Delete at the bottom of the screen. Again, TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to do that. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that labor pool has been deleted. If you look at the two remaining labor pools, you'll see each pool's name, whether or not they are volunteer, when they start, and when they end. If I want to see who is assigned to those pools, I can click on that labor pool. And you can see that for this volunteer labor pool, I already have 3 employees signed up. That's how you can set up and edit your location's labor pools. To learn how to view your location's special days, check out the next video.